Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to get maximum FPS in Valorant. So without any further ado, let's get started. Click on the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select settings from the option. Go to the video tab in the settings menu. Set the display mode to full screen or windowed full screen for the best performance. Check your resolution and set it to your monitor's recommended setting. Tap on Graphics Quality. Under Graphics Quality, set Material Quality, Texture Quality and Detail Quality to low. Set UI Quality to low as well. Turn VSync off to reduce input lag. Set Anti-Aliasing to none for maximum FPS. Turn off bloom, distortion and shadows to boost performance. And that's how you can get maximum FPS in Valorant.